Hello, and this is my first video for UK Lock Sport, and today I'm going to be trying these new overlifters I bought the other week from Island Locksmiths, and they're curtain overlifters. We're going to try it out on this 7-lever leg lock, which I use on safes and cages and that sort of stuff. So here's the key. We'll make sure it's locked first of all, and I'll just pass you over and my boy will carry on filming while I pick the lock, hopefully. So you just insert the curtain pick as normal, yeah, and then put the overlifting wire the same as you'd put the curtain wires in, and just feather the tension as you lift the levers, and there we go, open in seconds.